Hello everyone! I'd like to welcome you to my video tutorial on how to Moodle effectively using a range of tools available on the platform. For this, we'll need to get to Teacher Practice area, which you can find by clicking My Course and choosing Teacher Practice area. Pay attention to the top right corner and the green button, Turn Editing On. You'll need to click it to access the editing mode. As soon as you've done it, you'll be able to add an activity or resource. I'm going to get to my topic. Okay, I've already got some resources and activities added, and I'll explain the resources first and the way I added them. So you can see here this possibility, add an activity or resource. If you click here, you're going to see a list of activities first. It is quite long and rich. And then you will get to resources. Again, you can see books, files, folders, so all the choices available here, and you can try them. So firstly, what I did, I labeled my course. Pay attention that each resource, if you are not sure what it is about, you can read detailed description in this area, and if it is what you need, so you can click add and get there. So you will need to label text. Okay, so you already know how to use Rich Editor for that. So what I did, I had my name there. So, and then you can change it. Font family, so usual things here, for example, font size, the one you prefer. You can add color to that. Okay, lots of functions. And then you can scroll down to see some module settings added. So availability, either you show on course page or hide from students, but that is understandable if you want your students to see that, so you need to show on course page. Then you can add a restrict access, and you can study the list of those restrictions. Each has something specific. I'm not going to add any restriction. Then activity completion as well, but I'm not going to add anything. You can explore it, yes, so, and choose whatever you like, and some text, okay, if you need. Well, when you are done here, you need to always remember to save the changes and return to course. And you can see that I have two of them, yes, so Daniela here because it was previously done, and the latest. So if I'd like to delete it, so you have this function here. If I'd like to hide it, I can also do that by clicking. I can also move right, yeah, or I'm going to refresh the page here to get those settings, or I can get into the area and edit settings inside it. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to show you what I've got here. There are some interesting things to be shown. Okay, well, actually not here. Okay, no, nothing. So the only thing that you change your text here, yeah, and you can change some settings. Okay. Then, having labeled your course, you can start adding other resources to it. The one I've got here, that is file. So once again, getting here to resources. So the folder, when you would like to display a number of related files inside one folder. Okay, so and present it in your course. And what I've got here, so I can look at it right now, and that is what I've got here. So that is some activity, some introduction description I added. Okay, I added empathy, but also that is in description itself. But in the folder, my students can find a podcast and they can find the MP3 if they need. They can download the folder. Okay, is it going to work? Hope yes. Something with my connection. Okay. Sorry for that. Oh my God. Okay, so it shows that you can download it. Okay, so that is going to be zipped. I don't need it now. Or you can click on a separate item you'd like to download, and you're going to have it only podcast. Okay, so you can edit the folder itself, not reaching the description. Yeah, so you can add some files here. And whenever you add any changes, so don't forget to save them. Okay, so what can also be done at this stage? Okay, let me return to topic 12. That is, you can edit it, including the description, and that is what I liked. So you know how to work with description once again, and using rich editor. I had everything here, and you can display description on course page, and also you can choose display folder contents either on a separate page or in line on a course page. Let's try this one and see the way it works. So now you can see the changes. Now you can see all the description on page content page, and also the folder available here. And if you'd like to try another feature, what I'm going to do, you can have display description on course page, but you can display folder content on a separate page. And that is what it is going to look like. So the students are not going to see the folder itself, the files available there. They are going to click and see it here. So these are some of the features you can use while adding a resource and using it effectively. So I would like to say that there is much to be explored, and thank you for watching my video tutorial. I hope it is going to be helpful. Thank you, bye.